Hello everyone. Welcome to PMN Online. In this tutorial, we will learn Zapier versus Power Automate, which is better. The hook. Automation platforms have become essential tools for businesses and individuals looking to streamline their workflows, save time, and boost productivity. But when it comes to choosing the right platform, you're often caught between two giants, Zapier and Power Automate. Each promises to make your workflow as smooth as possible, yet they cater to different needs and environments. So, how do you decide which one is truly better for you? Today, we'll dive deep into a comprehensive comparison, breaking down their key features, advantages, and ideal use cases to help you make an informed decision. Whether you're a tech-savvy entrepreneur or part of a large enterprise, understanding these platforms can transform how you work. Let's explore the possibilities together. The expanded tutorial body. When comparing Zapier and Power Automate, it's crucial to consider 6 main areas: pricing, integrations, ease of use, power and customization, enterprise features, and the overall ecosystem. Each of these areas can significantly impact your choice depending on your specific requirements. Number 1. Price. Starting off with pricing, this is often the first consideration for many users. Zapier offers a straightforward pricing model with a solid free tier that allows you to get started with automations without any initial investment. This makes it particularly attractive for individuals and small businesses that are mindful of their budgets. However, as your needs grow and you require more complex automations or premium features, the costs can add up quickly. On the flip side, Power Automate often presents a better value proposition for those already invested in the Microsoft ecosystem. Frequently bundled with Microsoft 365 subscriptions, Power Automate can be a cost-effective solution for enterprises that already leverage Microsoft services. However, navigating its licensing complexities can be akin to deciphering tax codes, which can be daunting. Number 2. Integrations. Integrations are the lifeblood of automation platforms. Zapier stands out with its ability to connect with over 6,000 apps, covering a vast range of online services. This makes it incredibly versatile for businesses that rely on a diverse set of tools and need to automate workflows across different platforms. However, it may fall short when dealing with older or on-premise systems, which might be a limitation for some. Power Automate excels in environments dominated by Microsoft tools. It integrates seamlessly with Microsoft products like Teams, SharePoint, and Dynamics 365. Moreover, it supports on-premise integrations, making it a strong contender for businesses with legacy systems. It's not as adept at keeping pace with the latest SaaS tools compared to Zapier. Ease of use. Ease of use is where Zapier truly shines. Its intuitive drag-and-drop interface makes it accessible even for beginners with no technical background. Creating automations, known as Zaps, is simple and straightforward, allowing users to quickly set up workflows. However, users seeking more advanced functionalities might find themselves needing to think outside the box. Power Automate, while powerful, presents a steeper learning curve. Its interface can be overwhelming for new users, especially those not familiar with Microsoft's ecosystem. However, its templates can provide a helpful starting point. Once you get the hang of it, the possibilities for complex and tailored automations are vast. Power and customization. When it comes to power and customization, Power Automate takes the lead. It offers robust capabilities for creating intricate workflows, leveraging custom scripting, connectors, and even AI-driven features. It's designed to handle enterprise-level demands, allowing for extensive customization and flexibility. However, tapping into its full potential requires time and expertise. Zapier, while not as comprehensive, is no slouch in the customization department. It's excellent for setting up basic to moderately complex workflows and offers flexibility for most common automation needs. For those who don't require highly specialized automations, Zapier's simplicity is often sufficient. Enterprise features. Enterprise features are a significant consideration for large organizations. Power Automate is built with enterprises in mind, offering robust security, compliance, and administrative controls. It supports large-scale deployments with centralized management, ensuring that IT departments can maintain control over automations and data flows. However, its stringent security can sometimes be too restrictive, occasionally hindering productivity. Zapier, while offering some team collaboration features, lacks the depth of enterprise functionalities. Its focus is more on ease of use and flexibility, which may not align with the stringent requirements of large organizations. Ecosystem. Finally, the ecosystem of each platform plays a role in user experience. Zapier boasts a vibrant community and a marketplace filled with ready-made workflows, making it ideal for those heavily invested in SaaS tools. It's a platform that encourages creativity and exploration of diverse applications. Power Automate's ecosystem is heavily integrated with Microsoft's suite of products. For Microsoft-centric environments, it's a natural fit, supporting seamless integration with tools like Excel and Outlook. However, for users outside of this ecosystem, it may feel less accommodating. Extended wrap-up. Choosing between Zapier and Power Automate depends greatly on your specific needs and existing infrastructure. Zapier is a fantastic choice for startups, small businesses, or anyone using a wide array of SaaS applications. Its ease of use and extensive integrations make it a go-to for quick and flexible automation solutions. Conversely, Power Automate is unrivaled in environments deeply embedded in the Microsoft ecosystem. Its powerful customization capabilities and enterprise features make it an excellent choice for large organizations requiring robust, secure, and scalable automation solutions. Pro tip: test before you rely on automation. Before you consider your Power Automate flow complete, take a few extra minutes to test it thoroughly. Don't assume it's ready just because it worked once. Run your flow with different types of data, including missing or incorrect information, to see how it behaves in real-world situations. Also test what happens if an email fails to send or a connected service is temporarily unavailable. Adding basic error handling and validation can prevent unexpected failures and make your automation far more reliable. It's also a good habit to review your flows every few months to remove unnecessary steps, improve performance, and ensure they still meet your business needs. A well-tested and regularly maintained automation will save you time, reduce manual work, and provide dependable results as your workflows continue to grow. The outro. Hopefully you now have a better understanding of Zapier versus Power Automate, which is better. For more step-by-step tutorials and guides, subscribe to PMN Online and never miss an update.